The EZ Spotter Heavy Duty Pole Setter is the safest and most efficient way to load, unload, pull, and set utility poles. This hard-working attachment is rated for pulling and setting 45-foot Class 1 poles up to 2,500 pounds. Maintain full control of the pole under energized lines. Pack dirt with the side of the attachment and tamp poles with the optional tamper circuit. The EZ Spotter Pole Jack is the safest and most efficient way to safely pull utility poles up to 100 feet. Safely pull poles from the frozen ground without difficulty. Even foamed and cleated poles are no problem for the pole jack. The pole jack is one-man operational and will reduce the crew size. Pulling poles has never been safer or easier than with the EZ Spotter Pole Jack. The EZ Spot Auger safely digs holes for poles, pipes, posts, and more. This planetary-driven auger can dig holes from 18 inches to 24 inches in diameter. Special rock bits can be purchased to safely dig through rock. The EZ Spotter Auger has a standard 9-foot digging depth, but auger extensions are available for digging deeper holes. The EZ Spotter wire reel makes it safe and quick to spool and unspool wire. The operator remains safe while operating the planetary-driven wire reel. Call or visit EZSpotter.com for more information and make it easy.